Today, I'm excited to show you how to make a super simple and delicious asparagus stir-fry. This quick and easy recipe uses just a few ingredients. Asparagus is not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. It is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate. Asparagus is also rich in antioxidants and fiber, making it great for digestion and overall health. Additionally, it is low in calories, making it an ideal ingredient for a light and nutritious dish. Let's get started on this flavorful and nutritious asparagus stir-fry. Give the asparagus a thorough rinse under cold water. Once cleaned, carefully trim the ends and peel the hard fiber skin near the end of the asparagus with a peeler and cut the spears into neat 2-inch pieces, then setting them aside for later. Next, turn your attention to the carrot. With precision, julienne the carrots into fine thin strips, bringing a vibrant color and texture to your dish. Then take the garlic cloves and mince them finely. To cook the stir-fry, begin by heating a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. When the oil warms up, add the minced garlic. Saute the garlic for about 30 seconds, just until its fragrance fills the air, signaling its readiness. Now, toss in the julienned carrot. Stir-fry the carrot for another 2 minutes, allowing it to soften slightly while still retaining its crispness. Next, introduce the asparagus to the pan. Stir-fry these vibrant green pieces for about 3 to 5 minutes until they reach a tender crisp perfection, adding a delightful texture to your dish. Pour in a tablespoon of saquê, stirring as it sizzles and almost completely evaporates, infusing the vegetables with its unique flavor. Then drizzle in a teaspoon of sesame oil, stirring to combine and distribute its rich, nutty aroma throughout the stir-fry. Finally, turn off the heat and add a generous spoonful of vegetarian oyster sauce. Stir thoroughly to ensure every piece of vegetable is well coated with the savory sauce. Your stir-fry is now ready, bursting with flavors and ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the vibrant and aromatic stir-fry from the pan to a serving dish, arranging the vegetables neatly to showcase their colors and textures. For a finishing touch, consider garnishing the stir-fry with a sprinkle of black sesame seeds, adding a bit of crunch and visual appeal. This simple garnish can elevate the dish, making it look as delightful as it tastes. When it comes to serving, you have a couple of delightful options. This stir-fry can be presented as a flavorful side dish, complementing a variety of main courses. Alternatively, for a lighter meal, serve it over a bed of steamed rice. The rice will soak up the savory sauce, creating a satisfying and wholesome dish. Now, with everything in place, your delicious stir-fry is ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit and see you in the next cooking show.